Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nelly. I am so glad to have you. If you're not new and you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back for more content. All right, you guys, so I'm actually doing my makeup right now. I was in the middle of doing my makeup, then I thought to myself, would it not be nice, wait, let me just try to use my, hold on you guys, let me use my mic. I think the audio is gonna be different and better. Okay guys, so I'm back. Hopefully the audio is gonna sound a bit better. I actually thought that this microphone doesn't really make a difference until I heard the audio from my last video, and I definitely think it makes a difference. Anyway you guys, so I was saying I was in the middle of doing my makeup. Today is the 14th of Feb, Valentine's Day. So my boyfriend and I are gonna be going out. He hasn't come back from work yet, and he said that he wants us to go out, and I know for a fact that he does not have anything for me. Like, he doesn't have a gift for me. And this whole going out thing is like a last minute thought for him, I'm pretty certain. But I was like, okay, cool, we can do that. And I thought maybe I would vlog like a few days in my life, because I actually like watching such vlogs. So I'm like, I should probably create similar vlogs as well, you know, of the kind of stuff that I enjoy watching. And I was like, I could talk to you while I'm doing my makeup. Today I really don't want to do anything too hectic. I want to keep it pretty and glowy, dewy. Let me switch on the light. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go out. I don't even know where we're going. My boyfriend doesn't know where we're going. Like, this is just so last minute. I don't even know where we're going. He asked me to look for some places, and I said okay, I'll do that, but honestly I haven't had the time, because I'd rather he gets here and I'm completely done with the other place for us to go, then he gets here and I'm not even done with my makeup. He's gonna be so surprised, because I actually got him a gift for Valentine's Day, and he does not know that I got him a gift. I actually went to buy it today. He's gonna be completely surprised, and I know for a fact that he's gonna feel so terrible, which is good, because he needs to feel terrible. I mean, you don't buy someone a gift and you want to be like, let's just go out to dinner. I mean, it's sweet, but you can do better, okay? You can certainly do better, sir. Anyway, I got him a gift. I can't wait for him to see it. He's gonna be so surprised. And I think he's really gonna love it as well. It's such a cute gift. So I thought I would show you guys my makeup while I'm doing my makeup, show you guys my outfit, and maybe like show you guys a little bit of our dinner. I'm pretty certain that it's not going to be anything extravagant. It's probably just going to be a cute little place, because honestly I know he's very tired. He was on site the whole day today, and he did say that he wasn't having the best of days, but I think just because it's Valentine's Day, he probably just wants to do something. I did kind of ask him, like, you want to do something even though you're tired? And he was like, yeah, I want to do something. Going out will make me feel better. I'm like, oh, okay, I mean, we could do that. I'm sort of like debating if I should show you guys his reaction when he gets the gift. I just feel like it's gonna be so corny if I show that on camera. I'm not sure if you'd want that to be on camera. I'll see when he gets home. When I do my brows, I first use a pencil. This pencil is brown, and then I go in with my Sorbet Take a Brow bar. I'm actually a pencil kind of girl, but I just don't have a black pencil, so I just use this, because I feel like if you use a pencil, it's much easier to be precise, because this brush is quite thick, so I can't really fill in my brows perfectly using it. And then I just use the brow bar to top up. I actually want it to be like this, yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. I finished doing my brows. I actually started recently using this bronzer and I have to say I do love it. It's not like extremely pigmented, or it might be depending on your skin tone, but on my skin tone it doesn't really show up that much, but it does show up, which is what I like. Like, it's not over the top. Then I go in with blush. I really love this blush. It's from Revlon. So pretty. I love blush. I feel like it just brings your whole face together. Like, it's the much needed finishing touch. And I do apply a lot of blush, I can't lie, but that's just how I like to do it. That's how I like it, huh? That's how I like it, huh? That's how I like it, huh? That's how I like it, baby. You guys, I'm so excited for Beyonce's upcoming album. I know I'm speaking like we already have a date or some sort of announcement, but we all know that B7 is coming and I'm just so excited. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. This one's from Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Glow. I love this one as well. It's beautiful. And it really does show up on your skin. I take my finger and apply a little bit of it on my nose. Then I just use my brush to blend it out. And then I use some of it on my brow bone. And this highlighter really shows up, you guys. If you're looking for something affordable, something pigmented, something beautiful, get this one from Wet n Wild. So I was saying, I'm so excited for B7, and you guys, I don't know how much it's gonna cost, but when Beyonce finally releases her next album and she announces her tour date, I will be there. I don't know how, but I am trusting that God will provide for me to be able to afford, because one thing about me, I'm a Beyonce fan. Like, I'm a total beehive, and I feel like she's getting old, and if I miss this tour, when will I get another chance to see her? So I have to make sure that I'm there, like, with her next tour. I'm just so excited. The way I'm so excited, you'd swear that I already bought a ticket and everything, but no, I'm just trusting. Okay, I'm trusting in the Lord. I'm gonna wear a red lip today because it's Valentine's Day, and who doesn't want to wear a red lip? No one. You guys, if I have to travel to another country altogether by myself just to see Beyonce live in concert, I will do it. I do not care. One thing I do regret about my whole life is the fact that I never had a Beyonce fund. And the weirdest part is I did think of it like a few years back, and I'm thinking to myself, if I had started saving back then, I would be very well right now. Like, I would be good. I would be actually excited in realistic terms, knowing that no matter what, I'll be there, as opposed to this kind of excitement where I'm just praying and hoping that something will come up in order for me to be able to afford the tickets. And when I go see Beyonce, I really don't want to be like way back there and like just be seeing her on the screen. I mean, I would take that as opposed to nothing, but I really just want to be close enough, you know, to be able to make out her figure, like, okay, that's Beyonce right over there. And and from what I've seen online, her tickets are very expensive, so I really don't know how I'm be able to afford that. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to afford that, but I'm gonna do it. I will do it. You guys remember when she was here in Johannesburg? Which year was it? Was it 2015, 2017? I don't remember. I actually like did the entire thing. Like, I did the online stuff, hoping that I would make it, and I never made it. I never got the ticket, and I don't know why I didn't just buy the ticket, like, because there were options to buy, and I don't even remember checking how much the ticket was, but people tell me it was around like 5,000. And my boyfriend keeps on telling me that he offered to buy the ticket for me back in the day, but at that time we were not dating. And I don't remember that. And even if I did, I was dating someone else, I wouldn't have said yes to that. But I genuinely don't remember him offering. But each and every time we speak about this topic, he always says, I offered to buy the ticket for you, and you say no. And I'm like, first of all, I would never say no to Beyonce. Second of all, I don't remember you saying that. But deep down, I'll be knowing, like, there's no way I would have gone to see Beyonce from someone else offering to buy the ticket for me, another man. Okay, honestly, guys, I don't remember. Now I'm gonna set my face with this Sobe Under and Over Hydrating Primer. This setting spray is not the best. Like, it does set the face, but I feel like it makes you look lighter, and I don't feel like it's so hydrating. So that is my makeup for now. I'm still like wet from the setting spray, but I'm only gonna do my eyelashes when I'm in the car because my eyes start watering. Maybe I can do it now. Yeah, I'll do it now. But usually I do it on my way to wherever I'm going because my eyes start watering and it just becomes a problem for my face. So I usually give my face a break, rather my eyes a break. But today I didn't have that problem, so I'm gonna try to put on mascara now. Okay, so now I'm done with my makeup. We can go and choose an outfit for me to wear tonight. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup. Let's go pick an outfit. I was thinking of wearing this white shirt, I think, and I went to wear jeans. I think I could wear these jeans, or I could really go corny. I could go really corny and wear these red leather pants. I think I should do that. So I'm gonna wear these red pants with my white shirt and like, happy Valentine's. Okay guys, so this is my outfit. The one that I'm thinking of wearing. It's pretty dark. So I'm wearing this white crop shirt and let me show you. Then I'm wearing these red pants. I am gonna be carrying this bag. And for shoes, I'm not quite certain yet. For shoes, I think I'm gonna be wearing these red shoes. But these are pretty hectic to walk in, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm still waiting for Tinashe to get home. I have no idea what's taking so long, like literally. Sorry you guys, and the lighting's so bad. So I was saying I have no idea what's taking so long, literally. But yeah. I'm wearing this ring. So cute. It's like a snake with red eyes. Okay guys, so currently it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Tinashe got home and was offloading about his terrible day on site, and The only thing I'm noticing is him sitting on the couch. And I told you guys, but Tinashe is too tired to go out, but he's trying to be romantic. Go the couch. I'm now waiting on him. He's asking me, baby, where should we go? Tinashe. In the Tinashe, anyway, I look pretty as always. Tinashe, happy Valentine's Day.
What?
Before we get into this, where's your gift? Tinashe, where's your gift for Valentine's Day?
It's in the car.
Go get it, wait. Let me pause. Go get it, wait.
What did you get at Keping?
I got you a gift for Valentine's Day.
Why?
What do you mean why? It's Valentine's Day, it's Lover's Day. People get each other gifts. What did you get for me?
And if only like gift tag. Oh Lord Jesus.
Tinashe, what did you give me for Valentine's Day? I thought you would like the cap.
Oh, it's beautiful. And they need non-plunge, not even black.
You can't wear a cap at night.
Who told you?
Tinashe, where's my gift? Okay, fine. Where's my gift? Where's my gift?
Sorry?
Guys, there he is with his gift from me.
Yeah, man.
Stop doing weird stuff. It is stop being weird. And I'm still waiting for my gift. Just by the way. Come show them properly.
I'm coming. Yeah, man.
Is that why you came home late?
What are you saying, man?
Oh my gosh, babe. Oh wow, baby, this is so cute.